Hey guys, so I thought I would show you a very simple chemical reaction that you can do at home. And I'm sure some of you have done this before. It's the old baking soda and vinegar mixture. So we're going to take a spoonful of baking soda and now I'm going to put it in a tall container, like a big cup. Something with, this wall that goes around it that's kind of tall. So I'm going to put in a big spoonful of the baking soda. And now I'm going to add vinegar to fill up the bottom. And you probably know it's going to produce a lot of gas. There we go. So that fills up the bottom. You can probably see all the bubbling happening here. You can hear it bubbling. I can smell it. I don't like the smell of it very much. So by mixing the baking soda and vinegar, we're actually producing a different liquid. And even more importantly, we've made carbon dioxide gas, which is the same kind of gas that we breathe out. So what's the big deal? Carbon dioxide gas is actually inside of this beaker right now. I'm going to move this slowly, but you probably don't see much of anything. It just looks like it's full of air, but there's carbon dioxide gas in here. Now here's the neat part. How can I prove to you that there's carbon dioxide gas in here? I'm going to use the gas to put out the candle that I have burning here. So watch carefully. And there's still all the liquid here. I poured no liquid in the candle. So what's happening? The carbon dioxide gas is actually heavier than regular air. And very soon we're going to learn about density. So the carbon dioxide gas is denser, so it sits at the bottom of the container. When we pour it into the candle, the carbon dioxide sits over the flames on the candle and puts them out. This is how a normal fire extinguisher works. Okay? So now you've seen a little bit of some science related to what we're talking about. Have a good one, guys.